Hey guys, welcome to the channel where we make mirrors your canvas, weights your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished. And in this video, we have another effective exercise that's going to target the quads, hamstrings, and glutes. We're going to go over the setup, how to perform this lift, and what muscles are being worked in each part of the lift, and how many sets and reps you should be doing to get the most out of this lift. So let's rule your fitness. Now, when it comes to this lift, you can either use kettlebells, dumbbells, or body weight. You will need a step up that's non-negotiable. Now, when you are using weight, either the kettlebell or dumbbell, make sure you have those weights at your side. Stand tall, and you can either have your feet shoulder width apart or together. Now, for this lift, there are 3 parts to it. The first part is going to be a single leg RDL or a single leg Romanian deadlift. You're going to hip hinge. If you do have weight, lower that weight or those weights toward the ground. Keep your arms straight, keep a nice neutral back, and make sure your tightest core at all times. And make sure when that weight is lowered towards the ground, don't have the weights actually touch the ground. And when you're doing RDLs, you kind of want to pretend that you're looking over a pond. And in this RDL position with that standing leg, the hamstrings are stretched on the opposite leg that's in the air. The gluteus maximus, the big butt muscles, working to keep that leg up in the air. Now, the second part of this exercise is going to be taking a big step back from that RDL position into a reverse lunge. And in this position of the reverse lunge, here the front leg, those quads are stretched, they're working, the back leg, the gluteus maximus again, as well as the hamstrings are working to extend that back leg back. And make sure in this position, don't have your back knee touching the ground, because if you do that, the right side of the body or the right leg stops basically working. Now, to get to the third part of this exercise, you're gonna push off with those back toes. Now, as you're pushing off, what's happening is with that front leg, those quads are contracting. On that side as well, the hamstrings are firing along with that gluteus maximus on that side to extend the hips to bring you back to standing. And the third part of this lift, you guessed it, is going to be a step up. Now, with that leg that you're stepping up with, what's happening is the hamstrings on that side, along with the gluteus maximus, the big butt muscle, they're extending, or they're helping to extend that leg at the hip to bring you up. And then you're just going to go back down, and then you're going to do that 4 more times on that leg, the 3 parts, and then 5 times with the other leg. And what I forgot to mention on the leg that you're stepping up with, those quads are also shortening or contracting to help you bring you up as well. Now, when it comes to sets and reps, it's going to be 5 single leg RDLs each leg, 5 reverse lunges each leg, and then 5 step ups each leg serves as 1 set. You're going to do a total of 4 sets with progressive overload by increasing the amount of weight after each set. And if you're getting value out of this video, please subscribe, turn on that bell, leave a comment down below, because here on this channel, we try to empower people at home and nutrition and at the gym with the goal of building muscle. So if you like that, again, subscribe. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, weights your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and may your drawing always be beautifully unfinished.